What are seamless gutters? The gutter trough specifically is what that's referring to. They're manufactured on site, so there's a fairly expensive machine, and it just starts with a roll of gutter, just a flat piece of the metal. It's run through that machine and it's shaped into the form of the trough on site so that there aren't any seams until you get to a corner, an outside or an inside corner. And so traditional guttering was done with 4-foot sections, and so at every section you had to put a strip in and make sure that strip got sealed, and then you could move on to the next strip section. And so very prone to leaking over time. Anywhere that box gutters or the kind that where they just take pieces and put them together, notorious for leaking anywhere there's a connection point. And so with a seamless, you have no risk of leaking in all of those areas anymore because those seams aren't there anymore. The seamless gutters are typically done with a heavier gauge, and the old systems were always those spike and ferrule systems, so it's like a little tube and just a spike that went through to hold the trough on. And now we use heavy duty brackets and screws with the seamless systems, so they snap in and they're screwed in with heavy duty screws into the fascia board, so those don't pull out. And those old spike and ferrule systems are notorious for they just eventually pull away from the house. And then once that starts, you can't stop it. I don't know you're going to find too much of a difference in price. Of course, it's going to be a little more expensive for the seamless because of the equipment that's used, but the length of time that they last, assuming you're going with a reputable contractor that knows what they're doing, they're installed properly using seamless, you shouldn't have to really worry about them again. And then any of those traditional styles with the spike and the ferrule, or with box miters and things like that, where they're sectioned together, you'll probably start maintaining those within as few as a couple years. They'll start producing leaks, and so the value is 100% into the seamless systems.